How to remove WhatsApp from Facebook. To get started, first of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you need to go to the bottom right corner and tap on Menu. On this page, you can view your page details and posts. Scroll down to the Details section and tap on Edit Public Details. Once you're in the Edit page, scroll down to the end to find the Links option. Now tap on Add beside it if you want to add a link to Facebook. If you already have an account linked to Facebook, for example WhatsApp, you can view it here. If you want to remove the WhatsApp link, then you can go back here and remove it. You can do the same to add or remove other links from Facebook. So, by following these easy steps, you can go ahead and easily remove WhatsApp from Facebook.